Hey everyone, this video is about how to undo the deleted text on iPhones. Basically on iPhones, it's quite difficult to edit and select the particular text like cut and paste, and also sometimes this happens. Oh shit, I accidentally deleted all the text. And you retype the whole thing, right? There is a solution for that. Hereafter, you don't need to worry about that. What do you mean? Here is the trick. When you mistakenly delete or cut the text means just shake your iPhone like this. And you can see the undo option on your iPhone. Just click undo. And now you can see all your deleted text here. Yeah, that's the magic trick. And if you shake again, you can also redo the task. And this trick works on anywhere on your iPhones, like messages, mails, text, Notes app, browser, any app, anything. Yeah, that's it. I am damn sure and hope this video really helps you, and if it really helps me, subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.